Guys, welcome to PC Drills, where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we are going to demonstrate how you can transfer files between Android and a PC using Xender application on your phone. So this is what we'll be handling today at PC Drills. And actually this video exists already on this channel, it's just that it exists without a voice on it, so we decided to redo it because some of our subscribers requested for it to be made with the voice, and most of our videos also. So to do this, you just need a laptop or any other machine that uses the Wi-Fi connection, and then your phone with a web browser. So let's use Firefox in this case. So just to begin, you need to open up your browser and then you open up your phone. On phone you do a different thing, and on the browser you do a different one. So on phone, you first of all have to create a hotspot and connect your computer to it. To create a hotspot on phone, you just need to go to settings. Once on the phone settings, you simply have to choose network and internet. Depending on your type of phone, it might be different. So I just have to go to hotspot and tethering to open up my hotspot. Then I choose Wi-Fi hotspot, and I just have to on it from here. And I can also modify the password if I don't know. For you, if you have not been using it, you can come here to modify your password, click here to view it, and this is what we'll be connecting to on our PC. So if you modify anything, you can save it. So if you don't know your password, you can click here to show your password up before you can cancel if you don't want to change. And the other simpler method, instead of you coming to these settings to come on your hotspot, you can just view from above. Just have to swipe down and then you find hotspot and you just click on it to enable it. So those are the two ways you can use to enable your hotspot on your phone. This is the more shorter method. Just scroll down and you go to hotspot. Then once our hotspot has been enabled, now you need to go to Xender on phone. You open your Xender on phone. As it loads, you can go to your PC. On your PC, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi network that the hotspot is giving out. So I'll enable my Wi-Fi, connect to this hotspot, and then I allow it just like that. Back to the phone, I come here to this menu on the top right, click on it, and I click on connect PC. After clicking on connect PC, this is what will be shown to you. Go to settings, create a network and internet hotspot, and create a hotspot. Connect your PC to this. Those are the first two steps that we have already done. So now you just need to visit this address below, 192.168.43.1:33455. So this is the IP. I will just have to input it on my browser. So if you are using Chrome or Firefox or any other browser, it's the same method. So you just have to put 192.168.1:33455, and that's it. You press enter. When you press enter, now you can see on your phone is asking you to accept. So on phone you can simply click to accept. This one on machine, actually you have to validate on phone. Is just a skeleton of what you should do. So you cannot accept from the machine, you accept from the phone instead. So just click here, accept, and then you wait a little for it to connect. Once connected, now you can see confirm this way, and you can see okay this way. So to transfer files, maybe you are transferring a photo or a video or music. It depends on you how you wish to do it. On phone, if I wish to transfer to take a photo from phone and send to the PC, I can just click on the phone. When I click on the photo on the phone, you see this tap down, and see down there's something like swipe up, is pointing an arrow here. I will just have to swipe up as it demonstrates. It will just send to a PC. For example, if I swipe up this photo like this, it gets sent to my PC and it gets downloaded and stored in the downloads folder. You can see from here that one image has been downloaded. So if I wish to view, I can just click to open the containing folder, and then you see the stuff that have been downloaded. And this is the photo that I just downloaded now like this. So the other method that you can use to do it is you open the photo on the PC. So this icon here is for photos, this one videos, music, documents, is for applications, is for folders and files. So if I wish to remove a photo from the phone and put it on the PC, I click on image, then now here I can select. So let's say I wish to take this photo and put it on my PC. I click on it, it gets ticked or marked, and then I can download. If I wish to download many at once, I can tick many at once and I click download from here. So if I'm downloading just one, I can just use this download without even ticking at all. So once that's done, I just have to click on batch download. Batch download here works when you are downloading more than one image. Just have to click on it and it gets downloaded and saved. That's 3. It was first of all 1. This is the other 2 we have just added. So downloading movies or music or documents is the same process. So you just have to be successfully connected and having this particular web page displayed. So if I'm downloading a movie, it's still the same. I can select all for a particular date, or I can just click download to download one. For example, here I can just click this download. I can also delete. Deleting here removes it from your own phone, so you should be careful when using it. But downloading, you download and just keep a copy on your machine, but the copy on your phone remains. That's how it works. But if you are looking for a file, maybe a video or a document, and it's not inside the normal download folder, maybe it was sent through an application and you are looking for it, you can come to files, where there are files and folders, and you navigate to where the particular document or file was shared. For example, if you share something through Bluetooth, you are looking for it, you can just come to the Bluetooth folder and then you download it from here. So if you are looking for something maybe sent on, let's say, WhatsApp, you can come to WhatsApp, you can go to media depending on what you are looking for. Then you can even look for WhatsApp stickers if that's what you want to download. You just have to click on it and then you click download here for it to get downloaded on your own PC. You can even delete it if you wish, and so on. And you can also cut it and paste in a different location, so you can modify where files are being stored. So basically that's it for our video for today. I wish that it was helpful to you, and have a nice day viewing videos on our own channel. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and if there's anything you wish for us to explain better, you can just contact us through any of our social media or just leave a comment down at the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you on our next video. Bye.